Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is my salad video update, and finally my 3090 is not mining anything, so we're gonna update to this latest 1.79 version of the salad. But look at this, when you go to see what's the latest update there, January 23rd, still listed 1.78, and there is no way you can download. Even if I click on a download button, I'm gonna download still old version. It's 1.78. So the only way you can update it, it's really through the app, which only when it's asked you to update, because there's no other way to download it. So I'm gonna update it because it's not mining anything. It was doing very, very well for a pretty long time. 10 to 22 cents. Let's check. And look at that. It just stopped doing anything. It was like up and down. Let's see for the last 7 days how well it performed. It was doing pretty well actually here, like $4 a day, $3 a day, just on single 3090, and that's over, looks like, right? Anyways, we'll just go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and update. So what did I do? Did I update? I don't know if I clicked. Okay, update now. All right, so we're gonna do that. Number 1 rig. So my number 2 rig is actually running on the Warthog, or whatever it is, and it's doing a lot better on the power. And I'm just trying to stay a little bit with these jellyfish rewards. It looks like jellyfish is actually reduced rewards a little bit. I'll show you like weekly rewards. So it was 80 for me, like almost 88, 89. I was hitting there, and now let's click on my wallet. It's pretty much down to 55. So I guess they're just trying to distribute a fair amount. So I see 51x, so I'm getting 52x for me just for the last 2 days, right? Or like, well, starting yesterday, looks like it dropped. So yeah, and the faucet drip about the same, 52.70. You could see that. All right, so that's what I'm doing on several machines still. Okay, so we did update my 3090 salad, so I'm gonna go ahead and start and see if it will perform any better now. Hopefully we'll pick some jobs. So 3080 Ti also asking for salad update. Let's look if we chop in anything. Yeah, we currently chopping there 2 to 5 cents. Pretty typical job. So I don't want to really jump off, so it's really gonna be just number 1 rig updated to latest 1.79 version, and everything else updated except number 3 rig. All the other ones I managed to update. All my NVIDIA drivers up to date, so everything looking good, but number 3 rig. So I'll see how it works, if it's gonna continue working. Let's see what's that machine is. Number 3 is DCAD. I want to see DCAD right there. Compared to 3090, 3080 Ti was pretty stable, but not as high. It's only did $1.30, $1.30, $1.30. So about $1.30 a day for the last 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably today it's not over. So yeah, pretty stable, but kind of lower a lot than 3090. Obviously 3090 was kind of peaked out. I don't think I ever seen the almost $5 a day, wasn't it, like for 4090? So yeah, that was a pretty good day. Almost $5, 487 a day for 3090. All right, so now it's looking for a job. It's up to date. Let's confirm that. Let's go to settings, scroll down, make sure. Yeah, so that's the latest. That's where your machine ID there at the bottom, just so you can check it out. Your performance if you go back to salad. All right, so Let's look at machine number 4. So what are we doing with 4? 4 is supposed to, yeah, just looking for a job. 3080, not doing anything. Another 3080, 5, 6, and 7 is on WordDoc. I'm trying to free up some internet for Salad. I don't know if that's helpful or not. And my number 8 rig is actually GPU in trouble. It's keep on disconnecting. Right now it's showing 3080. Let's see if it's doing anything at all. Yeah, there's nothing. Mining and my screen gets disturbed, like almost like 640 by 480 or whatever that resolution. It's old and had to keep on restart. So it would work like for maybe 5-10 minutes. I don't know. It's not overheating or anything. It's just something weird going on with my GPU. I tried to use different PCIe port. Did not help. So my number 8 is in trouble. I'm gonna try to switch from my mining rig from other location and pull another 3080, maybe a little better one, the game ready, and put that one because it was mining okay on that GPU before, so not sure what exactly going on. Number 9 rig, let's see if that doing anything. Downloading data. Downloading doesn't mean anything yet, but it's looks like trying to do something. Not using a lot of CPU or GPU. 22, yeah, not a lot. A little bit of something, so hopefully we'll start working on this job. All right, and number 10, the last one, is not doing anything, looking for a job. So yeah, it doesn't look really well now. It was pretty good, just I believe with the 40, with that 3090. 3090 was doing $5, and the rest of couple cars were picking up, so I was getting a pretty good there, like day, almost $10 a day, which I usually get with the whole entire rig with 10 rigs. And right now I'm doing only 6 because the other 4 is on WordDoc. So okay, so that's very short kind of video update. I was trying to show you guys again to how to update. At the same time, you can't go on the website and simply download. So the only way to update right now is really to get that message, update message, and sometimes it comes up there where your bell is, sometimes just right here on the urn, like right here on my other machine, and it's also gonna be right there. See, like there is update in your bell. I'm gonna dismiss all these messages for I get in the email when my GPUs becomes in the demand, and I kind of see what's happening with the other machine, if I should switch from WordDoc possibly on Salad if there's high demand, but looks like there's nothing high really. It's pretty much like in the moderate, probably everything. Let's take a look, actually see what we have in the network monitor there. It's 38 even here now. Oh yeah, it's at the very bottom moderate. 4070 Ti is in low, so I'm gonna keep it on WordDoc. Oh, and 3090 jumped to low. Yeah, so that makes sense. So there are only 2 up in the list, is these 2 guys, 4090 and 5090. I guess 1590 right now is the most expensive, but look at that, 4090 sometimes getting to 22 cents, a little bit better even than 4090. I mean, yeah, 4090 is better than 5090, I'm sorry. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned if there anything else gonna come up on the Salad. Again, they're really behind on updating their website for that latest update. I refreshed, there's nothing. They're 1.78 still, and nothing about 1.79. So I'm really not sure what 1.79 is doing there. However, it said please update Salad to ensure you have the best earning potential with the version 1.79. So it's first time that I'm seeing that it's only available to download from here, from your Salad. Very strange, kind of unusual, but it is what it is, I guess, for Salad. And yes, I'm doing a little bit WordDoc. How much WordDoc did I mine? Let's see my WordDoc wallet. Ah, I got 226 Word doc, so not that bad. How did I get that many? I didn't even know. I just let it be there. So, oh, I transfer some probably from the other wall. Yeah, I pull everything from my exchanges, by the way, because you know that the recent couple weeks ago that Xegas was kind of unfortunate. They shut down their logins due to their security reasons and or hack that the CEO had, and then so I really only mine 74 Warthog there, which is still not that bad, about 3 a day. I need to see what is it, $1.50. It's probably not as profitable. I really doing it just to get a little extra jelly. And jelly looking pretty good actually. If we go and look at our jelly, I think it's pretty nice. Hold the line around for 304 for the long time. All the crypto like going up and down, and pretty much down for the last. Let's compare just to the Solana, right? So if we go to Solana, kind of mixing it up with the solid, sorry, but that's, I just want to show like the, look, Solana went from all the way from 280 to 190, so, and it's not been going up. Well, Solana is pretty stable considerably, like it's pretty similar, I guess. Not that bad. I mean, it did drop, and obviously the jellyfish did go up. If we go to the year, it was the peak there, so it doubled from 8 it down. It was going down to 35, 33, and then back to almost 5, and then it's around 4. 304. What was the highest? Oh, actually, wait a second. It went, yeah, I forgot. It went to 2 million market cap, which was like 2 zeros and 2. I missed that in December 15. No, I didn't miss, but I've seen that. Actually, I purchased some at around here at 8, 308, and then, yeah, it went down, and I purchased some more. I actually hold around 1.5 million right now, 1.34 million. Of jelly, not financial advice, but it's pretty cool to see how it's kind of stabilizing, where the keeping with the market, similar to what's our market with Solana, right? Anyways, that's it for this video, guys, and I will see you on the next solid video. I guess was just trying to kind of mix it together. Look at that, I had that shut off when I did just jellyfish with Warthog for several days. It did pick up pretty quickly there, but now sell it again. It's just kind of waving up and down, you know, like it's, I updated this machine. There's nothing really happening because it's not in demand. It's in the low demand, obviously. So 3090 is like gonna rest there until something comes up, and this job is running. I'm gonna double check on machine 3 AD. I was already checking that machine, right? So it does currently running the job AD right there. Yeah, so I'm not gonna shut it down because probably just the only miner are really doing chopping salad right now out of all of my rigs. See, like the, oh, this one also was going. What's this machine? A0. It just shut down a couple hours ago. A0, what is it? No, it's DD. A7 DD is this one, right? What is this? Doing something. Was doing pretty good. DD, that's 9. Okay. Okay, so 9 was doing the job, but now it's done loading and it's kind of not doing anything for the last 30 minutes. So hopefully it's a new container download job. Yeah, so not really much going on. We sell it right now. That's That's it. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you. Bye.